This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome to CyberCrackX, where we bridge the gap between fun and education in cybersecurity. Today, we unveil a powerful tool designed for ethical hackers and security enthusiasts alike, Path of the Hidden Folder. This innovative scanner allows you to stealthily explore web directories and retrieve crucial server information. You might wonder what makes this tool so special. Let's pat ourselves on the back for embracing technology that empowers us as ethical hackers. Path of the Hidden Folder acts as your personal detector for hidden files and directories lurking on servers. When developers create websites, they sometimes conceal specific folders, which are off-limits to users. These hidden paths can pose security risks, allowing knowledgeable individuals to probe and understand website vulnerabilities. Our tool takes on the role of an ethical ally, helping ensure web safety without crossing any lines. With just a few straightforward commands, you can unveil these hidden spots, enabling informed analysis of the site's security posture. The customization options set Path of the Hidden Folder apart from other tools. Users can modify settings, incorporate tailored word lists, and create the perfect scanning experience suited to their needs. This adaptability means that your scanning capabilities aren't boxed in. Instead, you're granted the power to explore at your comfort. However, let's always stress an essential point. We must approach this exploration with responsibility. This tool is educational and designed for ethical purposes only. It serves to empower budding ethical hackers and solidify the foundation of responsible internet use. As we dive into our demonstration, I'll guide you through each step of the scanning process and showcase the underlying code to help you grasp how everything works. Watching the scanning process in real time will reveal the potential of this tool while reinforcing the importance of understanding hidden directories within cybersecurity. By the end, not only will you have a clear vision of how to use Path of the Hidden Folder, but you will also appreciate why recognizing concealed paths is vital for secure web environments. So, are you ready to learn and build together? Like, subscribe, and let's embark on this exciting exploration of the digital world, where responsibility and knowledge go hand in hand.
Un partidaje you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Bothering you. Suddenly you're Mr. Distant.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Rock.